Guys, good morning. It's March 9th, 2018. I just had a smoothie bowl. Haven't had one of those in a while. Heading off to work soon. I am cold because I said smoothie bowl. And it's cold outside, so it didn't really work out. But heading to work soon. There's the Buffy. So whenever I hit that I want the defrost on the back and the front windshield, the car turns on the AC for some reason, so I always have to turn it off. And he kept doing it because I kept hitting the button because I was, you know, getting frustrated with it or whatever. And then I was like, "Can you turn off that AC, young man?" And I was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm turning into a mother of my car." Because, you know, his name is Gerald. And I thought that was a funny story. And it's so cold. I hate this weather. I hate it. Ah! It's fine. I'm going to work, and hopefully at work it'll be warm. Hopefully. So, let's keep doing the thing. Daddy, say hi. We're celebrating your birthday. Aaron's here.
Okay, so what's your name, sir?
Doug.
Don?
Doug.
Douglas.
Douglas.
Okay. So, you're 21 today, right?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So, we're gonna sing the Japanese happy song for you, okay? So, I want you guys to come out and meet us, and then we do the happy dance, okay? Happy dance, alright?
Explain to the people what this is.
Yeah. Lock this door, come on. Hey.
You should be ashamed.
Lock the door.
They made the lines crooked.
I guess first, so after that, we can just focus on him.
Well, focus on
That's
him
the wisest
first.
thing you've ever said before in your life.
I'm just going to open a card.
That's from Aaron.
Hear what she said. Oh, neat.
I'm not saying it again.
Yeah.
This is a joke on Nana's site.
The wrapping paper.
Oh, the wrapping paper because it was a snowman.
Did you guys even check to see if it was right?
Erin at work, she loves to celebrate St. Patrick's Day because she says she's Irish, so I'll come in wearing this.
Did she'll like it? That's good. Okay,
Give us a wait, Mom.
What?
What
Give us a wink.
Oh,
Okay, you're gonna have a wink and a drink?
Yeah.
Why would you?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
It's gotta walk past.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy together. You need scissors?
Need a knife.
I have scissors.
Thanks, Sarah. Sarah doesn't.
Be careful, it flies open if you hold it.
You okay? Yeah. Did you get cut? No, just scared me. Okay.
CD's stuck in there.
I warned you.
Good morning, guys. It's March 10th, 2018. It's Dad's birthday. There's breakfast. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. That was way too slow.
I know.
Looks like 91. Really, it's 49.
It's all right.
The smoke. Can you see it?
Good grief.
That's funny. So I left my camera at home all day, and now it's back. And now we're going to see Black Panther after church at 8 o'clock at night. I'm smuggling in Subway in here. Nobody knows. Dad, say hi.